Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.3 trillion. Meanwhile, the market is down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 42.9%. Looking at the overall markets, as you guys can see, we are seeing some mild green across the board. Obviously, some sort of relief, which we definitely will take within the markets, especially after having a 2 months of downwards momentum continuously. So some sort of green does not hurt within the space. But overall, guys, cryptocurrencies are still not out of the woods just yet. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that has been highly requested on my channel, and that I believe should not be overlooked. And that's none other than Harmony One. Alright, my Harmony family, if we are looking at the price of Harmony One right now, it is currently trading at 0.047 cents. Down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and with a market ranking of top 99 spot. So one thing to keep in mind is that Harmony One has dropped quite significantly in the market ranks over the past couple months. So that's something to look at, and it comes back to, is this the altcoin that is under my radar right now? And I will explain whether or not it is. Market cap currently sitting below $1 billion, guys. Currently sitting at $568.2 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is 33 million. So quite a substantial drop, both in the market cap along with the 24-hour trading volume. So if we're looking at that, that's something that should not be ignored. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Harmony One is down 54.7%. But in the last 14 days, it's up 17.1%. So we will definitely take some sort of green across the board. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. The price. Where is the price going? And where could we be going in the immediate short term? So before I begin, guys, I just want to say a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice, because obviously anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. All right, special shout out to Yasmin. I forgot to mention that. Yasmin has requested a Harmony One update, and I'm bringing you just that. So before we jump into this, special shout out to Yasmin. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. But now if we are looking at the price of Harmony One, as mentioned earlier in this video, Harmony One is currently trading at 0.047 cents. And it has pulled down quite significantly in just a matter of a couple months. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys to really give you guys a better understanding as to how much Harmony One has dropped over the past couple months, it is astonishing. Harmony One at the beginning of this year, created an double all-time high, a double top. As you guys can see, never managed to break past this 38 cents mark, and since then, guys, Harmony One has dropped 87.8%. Let me repeat that again. Since the beginning of this year, Harmony One has dropped in about 6 months time period 87%. So without a doubt, a quite substantial drop within its price. And now you may be asking, oh, Harmony One, this is it for Harmony One? This is absolutely it. Harmony One is, I've been reading comments, don't get me wrong. I've been reading comments, I've been seeing the overall community engagement, and a lot of FUD is coming in. And one thing to clear up right now that I want to share with you guys is that FUD is going to come. FUD is always going to come. Doesn't matter if it's for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Harmony One, FUD is always going to be there. And Harmony One has been receiving quite a bit of FUD across its board within its community. But let's not forget, guys, do me a favor, especially the people that are creating FUD. Again, you guys have your own opinion. I respect your own opinion, but please go look around the board. Compare every altcoin. 99% of the altcoins from literally all-time highs all the way down are down about 70 to 80%. So it's not just Harmony One that's seeing these drops within its price. It's literally the entire market. I'm sorry, not the entire market. I know there's someone that's going to come and correct me. So I'll correct myself before I even, publish this video. Obviously not the entire market, but 99% of the coins are down quite substantially from their all-time highs. And Harmony One is obviously no exception. But Harmony One, the project itself, it's crazy to me how overlooked this project is. And also what the craziest part to me is how fast the price has dropped, and now people are overlooking this project. It's a very, very unique project. I have literally done my due diligence and research and really looked into this project, not just recently when the hype started. Absolutely not. I've been monitoring this project. If you are a day one supporter on my channel, you guys know I've been monitoring this project since its early beginnings when it was launched on the Binance IEO, which was back in 2019, I believe. It was below a penny at that time. And right now, people might be saying, oh my God, Harmony One is going to zero, this, and that. But come on, guys, look at the broader picture. Harmony One is still up hundreds of percents compared to where it was in 2019. It's a cycle. Yes, this part can be very, very scary, especially now. A lot of people lose hope, and that's part of investing, whether it's stock market or whether it's crypto. This is part of investing. Obviously, not everyone is meant to make it, but the ones that have discipline, that have done their due diligence and research and have invested into the projects with real use cases, strong fundamentals, strong communities, those are the people that are going to make it at the end of the day. And you always want to be, picking up projects when there is massive, panic across the board. Strong projects will always recover. And without a doubt, Harmony One is one of the projects that has been on my radar for quite some time, and the price it's currently trading at is just, in my personal opinion, again, not financial advice, because I am looking at the broader picture, the next 2 to 3 years. Harmony One, if they continue doing what they're doing, I could see this project go past its all-time high very, very easily. Again, not financial advice, this is just my own personal opinion. But now comes a question. Everyone wants to know, where could the price of Harmony One be going in the immediate short term? Obviously everyone would want it to go towards the upside, and my target for it to be if the price were to go towards the upside would be around this 10.1 cents mark. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about exactly 116%. 116% move towards the upside, and that would be very, very massive. And I do believe that can happen very, very fast, especially if Bitcoin starts heading towards the upside. But right now, as you guys may know on my other videos, I have mentioned Bitcoin is sitting at some crucial levels. And if the price of Bitcoin is unable to hold 28,700, then everything gets invalidated, and we could be heading more down for the price of Harmony One as well, along with other altcoins. And then I might set up some orders back down to this price point around that 3.2 cents or even a little bit lower. That happens if the price of Bitcoin drops below 28,700, and I could possibly see that happen for Harmony One, and might scoop some Harmony One and dollar cost averaging around those low prices, because I am a long-term believer on this project. And I do believe this project is going to really shake a lot of people when it comes down to shaking people, as in like shock, like wow, we missed the Harmony One at this price. Because when the prices were hovering towards all-time highs, guess what was happening? Everyone wanted to buy Harmony One. There were people FOMOing in. But again, comes down to investors. That's how people think, along with myself. I'm not saying this, I'm Mr. Perfect over here that has never FOMOed in. When I was coming new into the markets, I was FOMOing into every project. Left and right, FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. But you learn it the hard way. And I know there's a lot of newcomers coming into the markets, guys. This is cryptocurrencies. Markets are unregulated. And good projects, even strong projects, can be impacted by these kind of market corrections, market downwards trend. And that's where your patience really gets tested. But, with a market cap of $500 million, $568 million. I believe it's highly undervalued. Again, my own personal opinion. And I would not feel, too scared to dollar cost averaging around here, because I do believe this project is $1 billion+ project. And, it might even go down. I'm not saying it can't go down. Like I said, 28,700 is a spot everyone should be monitoring for the price of Bitcoin. If it drops below that, Harmony One is going to go down as well. And, if it goes down, great for me, to be quite honest. I will be picking up more Harmony One around there. And guess what I will be doing? I will be staking my Harmony One, because 44.9% of its circulation supply is staked right now, and you can earn passive income while staking your Harmony One. It compounds over time. And guess what? If the bear market does begin, we do see like a bear market come. I don't see the bear market lasting like the ones back in the previous bear market, which is about 2 years. I see this bear market to be shorter, because obviously the adoption that we have seen within the space. But again, I could be wrong. But I will be staking my Harmony One and literally forget about it. And when the bull market returns, I do see this project is going to do quite well. Again, my own personal opinion, not financial advice, but let me know what you guys think. And right now, all eyes, if I want Harmony One to be back into the 78.6 zone. Last time we were over there was just May 5th, guys, literally beginning of this month. So, I still have hope. And long term, guys, I'm a huge believer in this project. Not financial advice again, but short term, we could be heading more lower if the price of Bitcoin does not hold that price point I have mentioned. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see the price of Harmony One go at the end of this year? Most importantly, what is your strategy? Let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.